how to use referral code in Shein. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the Share and Earn option. Tap on that. You will now be able to see the link there. You can copy the link and paste it in any social media platforms. You can also tap on others and share the link from there too. Once the user receives your referral link and uses the link by registering themselves to Shein through that particular link, then you will be able to earn your rewards. So, this is how you can use referral code in Shein. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.